Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and turning on monetization. Do this now so nothing blocks receipts. Once done, enter YouTube Studio and activate Super Chat, completing payments and tax fields. You should also design short content segments where you ask for support, clear calls to action, and on-screen graphics increase clicks. Make sure to test a low-value message to confirm the flow. These are the essential prerequisites and your first actionable steps toward receiving Super Chat donations. You now move into execution. Stream consistently and promote Super Chat chances before you go live. During the stream, prompt viewers with tiered asks and honor each donation publicly. People give when they see recognition. Once you have a donation, pin the message, read it aloud, and trigger visual alerts. That social proof encourages more. Make sure to moderate spam and set slow mode to preserve chat quality. By combining acknowledgement, overlay design, and steady scheduling, you convert views into Super Chat donations. To finish, wrap the stream by thanking donors and summarizing key moments. Follow through on promised perks to build trust. After the session, review analytics to see which segments produce donations and adjust future prompts accordingly. If you don't receive expected payments, immediately verify your bank and tax information, confirm Super Chat is supported in your region, and check platform payment status. If problems persist, retest with a small donation and document errors. This final sequence secures payouts and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.